What's up, viewers and subscribers? It's your girl DJ Ivy outside, and I'm here with another outdoor cooking adventure. It's all about some jackfruit seed porridge today. I might have some jackfruit seeds, so I just wash them off, clean them up, and get done with the process. I already make them dry a little way already, so it'll go easier to take off the trash. Yeah, man, take off them water like so. Yeah, man, so clean them up and thing, you know, so you all just stay tuned, watch how I go on. Clean up the jackfruit seed them, you know. Get off the trash. Clean up the jackfruit seed and make everything nice and easy. So I'm gonna clean up the jackfruit seed. I'm gonna light up the fire so I can cook the jackfruit seed them to a level and then blend it up. You can also cook it and take off the trash, but me rather just do it that way. To me that way much more easier to deal with, other than if you cook it and then you have to make it cool, and you know. But I'm just clean it up, that means to say we have everything active out already. Today kind of bleaky. Seems like we're gonna have some waters today. Yeah. Only reason why them are kinda take a little while to come off, because we never really make them stay long in the sun. So some of them easy and some of them kind of a difficult time coming off. Do remember jackfruit seed rich in a lot of nutrients. You get a lot of nutrients from the jackfruit and also from the seed. And they come off easy though. Look out for the jackfruit recipe. We have jackfruit seed, more jackfruit seed recipe coming. We have some jackfruit recipe coming as well. So I'm gonna see what I go on for that, you know, peeps. First time trying this, you know. Man, first time. First time on camera, first time doing it overall. You always just like cook the jackfruit seed them and eat it. Just like that with some salt. But first me I try it with porridge. Lot of jackfruits on the tree. Young jackfruit. Jackfruit are not full yet. Yeah, man. Yeah. Up on the last lap me dip on you now. Kinda have a little flow, yeah, you know. Kinda under the weather. Under the weather. Yeah, me dip on the last Last lap. I soon finish clean up. As soon as I finish clean up, you don't know, say, I light up a fire and get this thing going. So stay tuned. Watch how I go and see me. Ready to go. Yeah, man. The thing ready. Show you the trash there now. So I just wash them off here now. Get going. So I get in some chips. Come on. Just like that. Active up the fire, you know. Alright, so in the meantime, I just get the coconut ready. Yeah, man. I hooks up the coconut and go and blend it up. Meantime, the fire in the background, I go and catch up. Yeah, man. Hooks up the coconut, cut it up, and blend it up. Do remember, viewers and subscribers, if you are interested in one of these calabash dishes, I have calabash dishes for sale. Yeah, so if you are interested, the number is on the screen right now, so you can link up and make a purchase. Get one of the calabash dish them. Yeah, man. So we do it outside. Yeah, I get them in a blender now. Wash them off and get them in a blender. With some water. Wash them off now. Get them clean. And then drop them in a blender and blend them up. Wash them off one more time now. Ready for go in a blender now. So I go ahead now and get in the coconut them in the blender. Yeah, man. Get in the water now. I check the serving because I want it for a small serving. A little bit above small serving. Alright, so I'm just leave it right there. So. Right there, so. Wow, blend up that now. Alright. So coconut toast ready now. Ready. So I make it go and stay over yourself, you know, until I'm ready to get it in the pot. Don't know, me have a big strainer, yeah. Rain eventually start fall. Yeah, man, rain. The rain no peep, so they already put in the jackfruit seed them already. So I just make it and go and cook up one thing. So I go and peeps. The jackfruit seed them in a pot to cook up. Yeah. Alright, quick and fast now. I blend up the jackfruit seed. Them. So the place full of leaf. Because the rain just come down and all heap things gone. See it a come down back here again. But I blend up the jackfruit seed them and then don't know. I get the porridge going. Do it before the rain get heavier. Yes, everything I blend up, you know. I have banana here, so too. Need to peel a banana there for go in, you know. Get in a few banana in it too. Get everything blend out and thing, you know. Alright, peeps, so me I get in some cinnamon leaf. Yeah, man, get some cinnamon leaf in a pot. Yeah, don't know. Cinnamon leaf in there, you know. I get in some nutmeg, you know. Alright, nutmeg. And then little salt, little vanilla. Yeah, man. So I mix up everything. All the ingredients in the pot right now. Jackfruit seed, blend out, don't know, coconut milk, cinnamon leaves, nutmeg, salt, vanilla. Yeah, man. So make this go and cook for about half an hour to 40 minutes, and then we take it off and start consume. Because you know, go and feed. Y'all just stay tuned. Porridge cook up, you know. Mm. Stir it up a little bit. Yeah, man. Smell good. Yes, my viewers and subscribers don't know the pot active, you know. Mm. The Korean are going to fall outside, same way. Then also are going to porridge cook up. That is it, man. Viewers and subscribers, jackfruit seed porridge. Nice. Yeah, I should try this recipe. Very nice and delicious. Jackfruit seed porridge. Big up all viewers and subscribers right now. Do remember, like, share, subscribe. Hey man, leave a comment, leave a feedback. Jackfruit seed porridge and porridge. And do remember, calabash dishes for sale. Yeah. If you want one of these, link up.